Welcome to the Strategic Node, the one-year executive PG certification in life science business consulting course by Royd Training. This program is designed for professionals who want to develop the strategic thinking needed to solve complex business challenges across pharma, biopharma, and medical devices. Life science consulting is not only about giving advice, it is about understanding science, regulation, market access, commercial value, and patient impact, and bringing these perspectives together into a clear business solution. This program helps you build that powerful end-to-end consulting mindset. Today's life science consultants work in a highly interconnected environment. A product decision may involve scientific data, clinical evidence, regulatory pathways, market access planning, intellectual property, and commercial forecasting, all at the same time. This means the modern consultant must be fluent across multiple functions. The role is not limited to analyzing data or preparing reports. It is about synthesizing diverse information, identifying the right strategic direction, and helping organizations make decisions that are commercially sound, compliant, and meaningful for patients. RYD 114 is a one-year executive certification designed for aspiring life science consultants and professionals who want to build stronger strategic capability. It offers an integrated understanding of business consulting across global pharma, biopharma, and medical device sectors. The program uses job simulations and case-based learning to create a practical learning experience. It covers product commercialization, valuation, regulatory strategy, forecasting, market access, and business development, giving learners the confidence to approach complex consulting assignments with greater structure and clarity. Life science consulting covers different needs across pharma, biopharma, and medical devices. In pharma, the focus may include generic commercialization, drug pricing, reimbursement, and pharmacovigilance. In biopharma, it may include biosimilar market entry, HER, value demonstration, and safety management. For medical devices, consulting often includes market insights, registration pathways, payer research, strategic planning, and lifecycle management. This matrix helps learners see how a consultant adapts the same strategic thinking to different product categories, while respecting each sector's unique scientific, regulatory, and commercial realities. A successful life science product moves through a clear, yet complex journey: discovery and development, pre-commercialization, market entry, launch and scaling, and finally post-market management. Consulting support is needed at every stage. This program helps learners understand the key modules behind that journey, including R&D management, forecasting and deal structuring, HER and pricing, sales force optimization, and pharmacovigilance. The objective is to build an end-to-end perspective, so that a consultant can connect early product decisions with long-term commercial success. Asset valuation is a core consulting capability because organizations need to understand the true potential of a product before investing, partnering, acquiring, or launching it. The process begins with raw market data, including epidemiology, real-world evidence, market research, and physician or payer insights. This information is then converted into financial models using tools such as net present value, discounted cash flow, and pharmacoeconomic analysis. The final output may support in-licensing, out-licensing, upfront negotiations, brand strategy, or company acquisitions. A strong consultant knows how to turn complex information into a credible commercial valuation story. A complete life science consultant brings together several strategic disciplines. Intellectual property helps protect the asset. Regulatory strategy determines the route to approval. Global launch planning defines how the product enters and grows in target markets. At the same time, pharmacoeconomics, HER, and reimbursement strategy help establish the product's value for payers and health systems. The program is designed to integrate these areas, helping learners become advisors who can look at a product from multiple angles and make recommendations that are both practical and strategically sound. Traditional training often focuses on passive lectures, syllabus-driven memorization, and isolated case studies. While these methods can build basic knowledge, they may not fully prepare a learner to make decisions in a fast-moving, real business environment. Royd's next-generation simulation model takes a more active approach. It uses scenario-based decision-making, digital dashboards, product development cases, and AI-integrated real-world workflows. The focus is on shifting from knowledge absorption to capability execution, helping learners practice the thinking expected from a life science consultant. The simulation engine begins with a clear business brief. Learners may be asked to evaluate a target product, assess an opportunity, or recommend a market entry strategy. They then work with data, research, and structured evidence to understand the situation. Next comes strategic decision-making. Learners evaluate risks, consider options, and develop a practical recommendation. The final step is outcome and feedback, where the decision is compared with real-world consulting logic. This process helps build stronger analytical reflexes and more confident consulting judgment. This learning ecosystem is designed around the needs of busy professionals. The program offers self-paced access, allowing learners to study at a time that works for them, whether early morning, late evening, or between professional commitments. The experience also includes digital caseboards, interactive learning management system activities, computer-based assessments, and device-agnostic access. This means you can continue building your consulting capability from different locations and devices, without interrupting your work or career progression. The one-year executive PG certification in life science business consulting gives you the opportunity to develop integrated expertise across pharma, biopharma, and medical device commercialization. It is designed for learners who want to move beyond functional knowledge and build stronger strategic capability. Through simulations in valuation, licensing, HER, and market access, you will practice the core skills used in life science consulting, build industry-relevant capability frameworks, strengthen your professional profile, and take the next step toward becoming a more capable and confident strategic advisor.